So asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for something that yesterday we discussed this as well, something that is against asbab or something that is far-fetched, we should not shy away from asking. Why? For example, a person is in debt and he might be in millions of debt and he might think that how will I be able to clear this debt? I don't even have a penny. I have so much debt to clear. But if we have yaqeen in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then all your debt can be cleared. Junaid Jamshed, rahmatullah alayh, he mentions that someone told him to recite a durood. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa barik wa sallim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa barik wa sallim after Zohar 100 times. Someone told him if you recite this durood and salawat, inshallah, Allah Ta'ala will clear out all your debt. And this is it comes from the hadith that Allah Ta'ala's assistance and blessings is with the person who recites durood and salawat upon him. So he said he started reciting. And he was also in debt, he said in millions. He said a time came in my life where I had the final 100 rupees. And I told my wife that this is the final 100 rupees I have. After this I have no more money. Because he changed his life. He went from the wrong path to the right path. So all his contracts, everything was cancelled, expired, all his mortgages he gave back. So now he needed to pay for it. So he said, within the same year, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cleared out all my debts. I had seen it happening with my own eyes. All my debts were cleared. So sometimes things seem far-fetched. A person doesn't have a house, he's asking Allah Ta'ala grant me a house. Now you think, oh, Islamic mortgage is, you have to pay 50% upfront. I'm only earning, 1,000, 2,000 pounds a month. What's going to happen? So you ask Allah Ta'ala will open the doors. So we look at things with our mind, what they say, the eye of the bird. A little eye, we're looking at something. But when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes to give, He can open His doors as much as is the capacity of Allah Ta'ala and the possibility for Allah Ta'ala. And that is everything. Inna Allah ala kulli shayin qadir. Allah Ta'ala has power over everything.